Asana2Stay streamlines the process of moving any content into Asana that originated elsewhere. To get these two selected task requests that arrived in email into my Asana, I use a shortcut key to both copy them to the clipboard and open Asana2Stay. So I start by confirming the clipboard contents, then I could either auto-complete to find a destination in Asana, but in this case, I'll just pick my tasks in the recents list of all prior paste destinations that I've used. And I'll make them due today. There's more options, but I can just go ahead and paste. Now I don't have to, but I can navigate right to that destination in Asana. Perhaps if I want to add more metadata, but usually the point of Asana2Stay is to keep your focus in your current app, like Gmail in this case. There are the new tasks. So there's a lot more that you can do, but that's it for this quick demo. So to recap, Asana2Stay is a new integration between Asana and nearly anything else you work with. Install it and start using it in about 15 seconds with the link in the description. Thanks a lot.